I'm Matt Bishard in San Francisco for NAREIT's REIT World, our 2018 annual conference. Joining me today is Jeffrey Fisher, Chairman, President, and CEO of Chatham Lodging Trust. Jeffrey, thanks so much for joining us.
Glad to be here.
Now, Chatham recently expanded with the acquisition of a Residence Inn outside of Charleston, South Carolina, firming up your company's presence in that area. So with South Carolina as one of the fastest growing U.S. states, what long-term opportunities do you envision there?
Well, that's really one of the keynotes to our entire target market strategy. It's primarily to be in upscale extended stay hotels like Residence Inns or other, premium select service brands. There's a Courtyard that we own next door to this hotel in markets that have unusually, fast, higher growth in demand generators. And in this case, there's some corporate business, particularly a Volvo plant about 5 to 7 miles north of us that is expanding, that's providing lots of other spin-off business opportunities as well in the market, together with, as you said, just a generally fast-growing market. Anyway, all makes for what we see as a favorable hotel demand component.
Now, what do you anticipate in terms of investment opportunities for the company heading into 2019?
We've said that we're wanting to be, even here in 2018, a net acquirer of hotels. We've not announced a deal yet this year. Market, to us, for the most part, seems pretty expensive, but that doesn't mean we're still not out there working on a few things. We think that a few deals will come to fruition over the next 12 months. Not a huge dollar volume, but together with perhaps the sale of 1 or 2 hotels should generate some interesting capital recycling opportunities for us.
And lastly, what challenges does Chatham Lodging face within your, as you mentioned, your niche of upscale extended stay hotels that perhaps other lodging REITs maybe focusing in different sectors don't face?
Well, I think most of us in the select service or upscale extended stay combination peer group are experiencing the same challenge, which is just a lot of supply, specifically in our asset type. So when you compare to full service hotels, there's just not many of these. We're sitting in a Marriott Marquis right now getting built, and so therefore we've got some supply challenges, but the reason why the supply is there is because the hotels make so much money, and customers and guests really want to be in our kind of hotels. So we think particularly the niche for us of upscale extended stay with our favorite brand being Residence Inn by Marriott really provides great opportunity for growth still, because RevPAR index, which is your measure of your market share, still is huge in terms of the premium that Residence Inns and Homewood Suites by Hilton experience in a given market.
Jeffrey, thank you so much for joining us.
We appreciate it. Thank you.
For more from REIT World 2018, be sure to visit NAREIT's website, REIT.com.